Hey, how's it going, fam? Welcome to today's episode of Tuesday Seeds. Today, we're going to be sharing with you a quick and easy way to gain some information on the soil that you're growing in. So, please stay tuned. All right, so we're going to share with you today um, a tutorial on NRCS's Web Soil Survey. And great tool. This survey serves as a free tool online that's going to give you a lot of great preliminary information on the soil of your property really quickly. So it is, from what I'm told, NRCS has data available for more than 95% of our nation's counties. And I think they do anticipate having 100% here in the near future. So great source to gain information, especially if you're looking to do some general farming or buying some land or just overall planning when it comes to the soil. So to get there, you could basically just Google Web Soil Survey, and you should end up on this page here. And then to get started, simply just click the green button here. So we're going to click this button here. And when you first start off, you should come to a map here, and you'll probably have, you'll probably be tempted, I should say, to just really start perusing and start clicking in all this information. I suggest for beginning that you just go straight to address and type in an address of interest. And then once you do that, you can get a little bit more into the meat of it. And then later on, go back out and start playing with the bells and whistles. But it's going to be very easy to get confused if you just jump in and start clicking tabs and buttons. I know that from experience. But anyway, type in an address. When you get there, you should, once you click on that, an address of interest, basically you see these two tabs where you can either zoom in or zoom out. And you just basically, if you want to zoom in, you just basically you click on the tab, and it will zoom you into areas that you're interested in. So if you recognize the area that you're interested in, you can basically now go to AOI, and AOI means just that area of interest. If you click on this one, it will basically just draw for you a rectangular area. I prefer to click on this one, the one that's non-rectangular, because what it allows you to do is create your own area of interest. So I clicked on that, and let's see, it's going to see if it lets me draw. So let's say I want to draw an area that's around these houses here that you can see. I can go that way, click there, click here, click here, click here, and click here. Maybe this is just an area that I'm looking at, and when I have my area, I can double click. And you don't have to make it this way I just did. Uh-oh, it's telling me that I need to zoom in a little bit more. So let's see. Let's see if I can zoom in. Okay, here we go. So let's try this again. I'm going to start here. I'm gonna click there, click there, click there, click here, and I'm gonna double click just so we can get our area. So now that we have our area of interest, I would suggest you go to Soil Map tab. And as you can see right here, it's going to tell us, it's going to give us some preliminary information on the area that we're choosing. If I click here real quick, it's probably going to give me more information that I can actually print. This is printable information, so I can go here and click that, name it if I want to print it. I'm going to go ahead and cancel out. But pretty cool info. So it's telling me that the type of soil, 45% in one area and not so much in the other. Uh-oh, I clicked the one too many times. Let me see if I can zoom back out. All right, here we go. Get back into my area, zoom out one more time. All right. So, and in here, let's see what this says. This is giving me some more information and description on soil that's in this area right here. So good to know. Good to know. So another feature, not to get too deep in the weeds, but if you do want to go deeper, you can click on the soil data explorer. Here you have all these different tabs. Let's say I want to get some more information on soil health. It's going to give me more categories. I can go into here, fragile soil index, things such as soil accessibility to compaction, all that kind of stuff. You click on these things and it will give you some specific information. You can click on view rating and let's see what that says. And it, again, takes you to a report and goes deeper and deeper. So what I would suggest is to go in here, kind of peruse with it. Another cool thing is at the end, this great information just for you, and you can create your own report. You just basically hit the shopping cart, hit checkout, and let's see, you want to make sure you have your what do you call that thing? Your pop-up blockers. Make sure that's not on. But here, maybe mine's is on. It's just not letting me check out. Let's see, it's loading. All right, and it creates a report for you. So real cool stuff here. This is something that can go in your file, and it's just going to give you some quick and easy information about the property that you're interested in, the soil. And as you can see, you can go deeper. I do suggest that you go in there, play around with the site, and good information, at least for starters, that can help you with the place where you're farming. Now, the system itself is a little bit quirky. Some features work great, others not so much. But overall, great tool to really get in there and find out some preliminary information about the space that you're growing in, especially when it comes to the soil. So until next time, be the exception.